Hey everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to categorize and match direct feeds from PayPal with Zoho Books transactions. Firstly, let's see how to add your PayPal account. Log into your Zoho Books organization, go to the banking module, click the Add Bank or Credit Card button in the top right corner, select PayPal listed under popular banks. If it's not listed here, you can type PayPal here and select it from the drop-down. Here, choose the type of your PayPal account, whether a bank account or a credit card. In this video, we'll select bank account. Click here to configure your bank account. Enter your PayPal email address here and click Next. Enter your credentials and click Login. After signing in, you'll receive a success message about the integration. Now, go back to your Zoho Books account by clicking this. You will be redirected to a page where you can fetch your transaction history and add your PayPal currencies. Enter any date from the past 90 days from which you wish to fetch your PayPal feeds. If you do not select any date, the transaction history for the past 90 days will be fetched by default. If you have transactions in multiple currencies in your PayPal account, they'll be tracked under different accounts. You can select the currencies you wish to track and enter their bank account name here. If you don't create accounts for certain currencies but have transactions for them, then Zoho Books will automatically create an account for those currencies. To add more currencies, click here. After entering all the details, click Save. Now, you have successfully integrated your PayPal account with Zoho Books. You can add more currencies by clicking here. Now, let's talk about how feeds are fetched from PayPal to your Zoho Books organization. When you integrate your PayPal account with Zoho Books, PayPal automatically gives the required permission to Zoho Books to fetch the feeds on a real-time basis. However, sometimes you might get a 401 error because this permission might not be given. You can, however, resolve this issue. Let's see how to do this. Log into your PayPal account, click the gear icon and select Account Settings. Go to the API Access section and click Manage API Permission. You'll have to make sure Zoho Books is listed in this page. If not, you can contact our support. Now, let's see how to match PayPal feeds with transactions in Zoho Books. Go to Banking and select your PayPal account. Here is a withdrawal of $550 from your PayPal account. Now, to match and categorize this transaction, select the transaction. Here, you can find the list of bills and expenses in Zoho Books, which can be the possible matches for this transaction. If you're unable to find the correct transaction, click the filter icon and choose the appropriate criteria. After this, select the bill you wish to match and click Match. Your transaction will be successfully matched after this. If you have received or paid any amount in foreign currencies, you can categorize and match such transactions as well. Let's say your base currency is US dollars and you make payment to your vendor in Australian dollars. In Zoho Books, the money that you sent to your vendor will be recorded as withdrawal in your PayPal account, and you can view the corresponding withdrawal feed here. You'll have to categorize this amount manually and transfer it to your PayPal AUD account in Zoho Books, where the amount will be converted to Australian dollars. To do this, select the withdrawal feed for your foreign customer. Now, choose the category as transferred to another account and choose to transfer this amount to your PayPal AUD account. You can find the exchange rate of the foreign currency here and can also decide to change it. Click Save. You can choose to create a transaction rule or you can skip this step. Let's skip it for now. After this transaction is categorized, you can find two feeds, a deposit and a withdrawal. The deposit feed is the amount that we have manually transferred from your PayPal account earlier, and the withdrawal feed is the amount that you have actually withdrawn from your PayPal AUD account to pay your vendor. First, we'll have to match the deposit feed against the transfer fund. To do this, select the deposit feed and match it against the corresponding transfer fund. Sometimes, there might be a slight difference between the transaction amounts due to the exchange rates. In such a case, you can add the necessary adjustments and track them in a particular account. Next, we'll have to match the withdrawal feed against the corresponding bill. Click the withdrawal feed, match it against a bill for the Australian vendor. You can find all your matched transactions here. And this is how you match your PayPal transactions with Zoho Books transactions. Let's see a few other actions that you can perform for your PayPal transactions. You can unmatch any transaction by selecting the transaction and clicking Unmatch. You can also choose to temporarily deactivate feeds from PayPal. When you deactivate, all the currency accounts in your PayPal will also be deactivated. If you wish to activate the feeds again, click Activate Feeds. Select the bank accounts to track your PayPal currencies and click Save. You can add more PayPal accounts by clicking here and following the same steps as mentioned earlier. You can choose to move any currency in your PayPal account. Please note that removing all your currencies will remove the PayPal integration itself. With this, we hope you've got a good understanding of how you can connect your PayPal account and reconcile transactions in Zoho Books. If you have any queries, you can write to us at support@zohobooks.com. Thank you.